We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I am going to show you how to clear a paper jam on your HP OfficeJet Pro 8028 printer, and I'm also going to show you how to avoid some jams from happening in the first place. So there's only 3 places this printer can jam. It's going to be your tray, the output tray, and then also inside the printer. So follow these steps and you can clear your jam. Alright guys, so first you want to look in your output tray. That's going to be right here. With this machine, if it's a little tricky to get your fingers in there, you can press these buttons simultaneously and pull that part out, and gives you just a little bit more space. Go ahead and put that back in. There we go. Locks into place. And then next step, if it's not here, you want to check inside your tray. If it's here, it would literally just be like right in here. So if you do see it, go ahead and remove that jam. Finally, you want to check, there we go. You want to check inside of the printer. There we go. So you can't really see much. You are going to have to pull this blue lever here, and as you can see, there is a jam already in this printer, so I'm going to show you how to gently remove it. All right, we have successfully removed our jam. So then what you want to do is put your cover back on. Okay, you want that lever to lock into place. All right, guys, that's it. You've successfully cleared a jam on your printer. But now, in order to prevent paper jams, let me give you some tips and tricks. Go ahead and pull your tray out. So one of the causes for a paper jam is going to be your paper tray settings. So what we need to do is make sure that the settings are correct for the size of paper that you're using. So these tabs right here, as you can see, for the size of paper I'm using, it is locked into place. They are movable for the size of media that you are wanting to use, whether it's labels, envelopes, cardstock. So then just put that back into place. And then also there is this lever right here. You're going to change this for like using legal size paper. Another cause is going to be, so you have your paper in here. If you are wanting to add paper, instead of just taking it, sticking it in your tray, as you can see, that's not really aligned. Okay, so instead of just mixing it all together inside the tray, take it out, and then you'll want to take the old paper and mix it with the new paper, and then fan it out to get rid of any condensation that may be stuck on the pages, making them stick together. And then you want to align each side evenly, and then stick it in your tray. All right, so these steps will help you prevent paper jams, but it will not stop all jams. You have successfully cleared a jam. You know the steps to take to keep jams from reoccurring. If you continue to see jams after following these steps, it's probably time to put your printer in for service. Thank you for watching our videos, and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.